So I recently purchased a GoPro, and I plan on making more mountain bike, kayaking type videos in the future. And so I'm playing around with some of the various mounts that you can get for the GoPro. And so today I'm going to do a field test of the GoPro Jaws Flex Clamp, or an imitation of it, on my mountain bike in a real world situation. So one of the places I'm going to clamp it to is the seat. And so I'm going to clamp it here and then angle it down and face it to the back and to the front. You can twist it around. Then I'm going to clamp it toward the front of the bike here, and again kind of angle it up, get a higher, like a view from up here, and then another view from, a little bit lower on the bike. And then I'm also going to clamp it to the handlebars. So I'm going to take it out on some bumpy dirt trails to give it a really good accurate test, because I'm going to be out on some really rough rugged trails here in the near future making videos. So let's see how it performs.